We don't wait for the rhythm to lead. We make the rhythm, we coach, we create, we lead the scene. Anything but routine.
Hey everybody, today we're just going to talk about something that we have done. Just for Kicks has done this every year since 1987. And it is the bowl game experience that we offer to teenagers. And my husband and I always laugh that we've spent every single New Year's Eve, except for COVID, with teenagers. And it's so fun.
I literally have my entire life.
Yeah, you have. And it is so fun. So if you're looking for a team trip that would bring your group together and offer some fun, it's so organized. That's probably the biggest comment we get is, oh my gosh, you people are so organized.
And I think that partly is due to most of our staff have been at the bowl game.
Repeat.
And we all kind of know our roles and just get there and do what we're supposed to do. And it's a lot of fun.
They hit the ground running. We have about 35 staff come down to Florida every year. So here's some things. We do have a fam trip that we do in August. You could email me, Cindy.
Fam trip means familiarization.
I went back to the old name. We switched it and started calling it the Coaches VIP trips.
Because fam trip sounds like a family.
And it meant familiarize you with our tour. So we now call it the Coaches and Studio Owners VIP Tour. We also have baton twirlers on this. And so we take you on that trip during August in an off time. It's hot in Florida at that time is the only downside. But we go to various things and you see the stuff the kids will see. You get to go to the stadium. You have a dinner cruise in Tampa Bay, and it's very fun. So
what's the cost of that?
It is free, except that you pay your airfare to get there. But if you end up sending 10 kids to the bowl game, we reimburse you for your airfare. Some people drive if they're from the southern states, but yeah, so it's free. You get...
Their hotel rooms are free?
Yeah, their hotel rooms are free. Their drinks are free. Their food is free. And there's a few things they have to pay for here and there.
Like lunches or whatever, yeah.
The busing around Tampa is free, and we go to different things. So it's pretty fun. So if you want to do that, we usually have 20 people do it a year, and it's great fun. You could plan long range. The other thing about the VIP tour is you're with all people that do what you do and like to do. So you end up talking dance the whole time, and it's like a mini conference.
I've only actually gone on it one time, I think, or two maybe. Oh, yeah. And I've loved it every time I've gone. It's just like not worked out for my schedule like every other time I've tried to go. But it's a lot of fun.
We talk fundraising, we talk turn technique, we talk everything. We have bus rides here and there or in the hotel, and people share ideas. It's really great. So when the actual bowl game over the holiday season starts around the 27th through like January 2nd, and we go to Disney or Universal, you get to pick. They go on a dinner cruise on Tampa Bay. That is probably the kids' favorite thing. They dress up, they do dancing on the top of the ship, and it's a pasta meal, spaghetti, everything, on the bottom, Alfredo. They love it. And then one of the days we go to Clearwater Beach, and that was we had an awesome beach.
Yeah, it was really great.
It was really hot, so that was fun. And then, the most important thing is the performance at Raymond James Stadium. And I think last year, what did we have on the field? 600?
Around there.
And we do the pregame and the halftime. And for those of you that have gone to like nationals or trips that are like that, I just got to sell you on the fact that this is non-competitive.
And it's so fun.
It's so fun. So it kind of takes the, foot off the gas of your competitive season and lets you just have a week of fun. This episode is sponsored by Just for Kicks Camp. We offer camps for coaches, studio owners, and dancers, of course. And some of our Minnesota camps boast 1,000 kids at them. We do camps on location at your school or studio if you wish. And boy, if you go to camp, you come home a stronger coach and way stronger dancer, and your team really pulls together. Click on camps on the Just for Kicks website for more information. We also have a talent show that the kids can show their routines, and if, we will adjudicate them and give you, I don't mean adjudicate them, but I mean, we'll give you tips or talk tapes on your routines if you want to bring them down there. So one of my most fun things is when you actually see the kids on the field and they get how big it is, that they have 63,000 people watching them, And, pregame, we do a pregame to our own music that's taped, and then we do the big flag, and they have the Air Force flyover, and
We are out on the field during the national anthem.
yeah, so that's pretty special. And then we air it live on Facebook we got on ESPN a little bit last year. Normally we don't much, how football halftimes are, but just for the parents to see it, it was pretty exciting. So if you have never done something like that, we would sure love to have some strong teams. To get those high school teams there is really important for us. They get it and they work hard, so we love it. So hope to see you.
We make the rhythm, we coach, we create, we lead the scene.